Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to a different iPhone. First, you'll need to unpair your Apple Watch from its current iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app on that iPhone, then navigate to the My Watch tab. Tap All Watches at the top of the screen, then select the Information button next to the watch you wish to unpair. Confirm your choice to unpair, and the watch will be erased and ready for a new pairing. When you confirm the unpairing process, your Apple Watch will be completely erased, removing all personal data and settings. Crucially, your iPhone automatically creates a fresh backup of your watch's data. This backup is then stored either in iCloud or on your computer, depending on your iPhone's backup settings. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to ensure this backup completes successfully before proceeding. Before pairing your Apple Watch, prepare your new iPhone. First, ensure your new iPhone is running the latest version of iOS for optimal compatibility. Next, sign in with the same Apple ID you used on your previous iPhone. If you're transferring from an old iPhone, consider restoring your new device from a recent backup to carry over your settings and data. Finally, make sure both your Apple Watch and the new iPhone have sufficient battery charge. Now, it's time to pair your Apple Watch with your new iPhone. Turn on your Apple Watch and place it close to your new iPhone. An animation will automatically appear on your iPhone screen, prompting you to begin the pairing process. Simply follow the clear, step-by-step instructions displayed. You'll then have the option to restore your watch from the backup you created earlier or set it up as a brand new device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.